Hi everyone. So here I am changing the front tires on a 2014 Nissan Sentra SR. I am using my snap-on impact gun. It's a half inch to remove the lug nuts. I'll put a link down below if you want to check it out on Amazon. It's really expensive and heavy, but it's worth the money. Um, if I didn't have this tool, I'll be using a breaker bar, which it'll take a lot more time and a lot harder to do. So this is my tire machine, which I also ordered from Amazon. I will put a link below for anyone who wants to check it out. It's really heavy and expensive and was delivered by a freight company. I use it for low profile tires. I use it to remove tires from the rim so I can powder coat them. And I also use it to put the tires back on. I'm removing the old tires that have been worn out. You can see what I'm doing, but the noise you hear is me breaking the tire bead. You need to do this to take the tire off. I'm basically squeezing the tire bead off the rim. So this loud air noise that you're hearing is the compressor reaching its maximum air pressure. So I almost caught my finger. Rotation forward. Okay. Okay, here I am applying the bead sealer front and back of the tire so I can place it on to the rim. Take your time, do it right. So here I am looking for the tire rotation. You want to be careful when you're putting a new tire on. You want to go in the direction it's telling you to go in before putting the tire on. That was easy. Okay, so here what I'm doing is about to bounce the tire so that way the bead can seal against the rim. A lot of people do is just put like an air blaster through there and you blast the tire on. It's easier, you just bounce it. Okay, so here I am actually applying the air into the tire. Listen for the popping noise. Okay, here I'm about to put the tire valve stem in. As soon as we do that, we are completely done. And I just gotta air up the tire to 33 psi. And then we'll be off to balancing the tire or balancing the rim. So every car has a different tire PSI setting. You will have to go into your book, your manual for your car, or you can look on the door frame on the driver's side. It should say the amount of PSI pressure you would need to add. Okay guys, so here we are about to start the balance. On that big giant tan thing you see there, that's my compressor. It's the best compressor ever. And this will ran. So here we're starting the balance, which I believe this rim had 3 bends on it. So I had to put a lot of weights on this one. Here I'm grabbing the acetone so I can clean the back of the rim so I can apply the new weights to the rim. You need to do this so it can stick and won't fall off. Okay, let's test it out. Out of 15 and 25. 50. Alright guys, so now we're going to mount the rim again. I'm going to use the snap-on gun to put the lug nuts back on, as you can see here in the video. And this is the final, so I'm completely done with the car.